What's up, people? I'm going to be showing you how to fix this particular error on your WooCommerce store. That's on your live store. Probably when you navigate to any product or you navigate to your shop pages and you tend to see these great things are on the horizon. Probably just telling you that your site, your store is coming soon. That probably is in the creation mode or something like that. So I'm going to be showing you how to quickly fix this particular error. So you can see from the main website itself, you can see that everything is being already completed up. Everything is already done. But once you navigate to the store shop page, you'll be getting that particular error. Or probably you even click on, let's say you try opening any particular product, you'll be also getting this particular error. So let me just quickly show you how to fix this error. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So first thing we are going to do is to quickly navigate to our dashboard. You can see when you are in your dashboard, if you take note, if you notice at the top here, you will see it's showing you that your store is coming soon. So this is the reason why you are having this particular error. So the easiest way to fix this, it is either you click on this directly or you just navigate to WooCommerce and come to settings. So let me just go through this way. So I'll go to click on settings. So once I'm on settings, I'm going to come to site visibility. So click on site visibility. Now I'm going to now scroll down and come to where you can see it is on coming soon. What I'll just do is to select live. So once I select live, I'll click on save. So after saving that, we are going to that will be all. You can see it has now changed from on this side is now live. So now what I'm going to do now is to click here, and now let me see how to I'll now refresh the website and see. You can see the website is now showing perfectly well. Let me even see the store shop page. Let's refresh the shop page and see how if it's also, so you can see the shop page also took effect. This is the way you can be able to fix this particular error if you're having this. In case this video might have helped solve your problem, just help me to drop in the comment. Just comment on the comment section that this video was helpful so that others will get to know that this video actually works. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.